A power supply mounts inside the computer case. This converts the AC mains supply from the wall socket and supplies the correct DC voltages to all the components inside the computer. A computer power supply supplies the following voltages. Plus 3.3 V, this voltage is supplied to the motherboard. Plus 5 V, this voltage is supplied to the motherboard and other internal components. Plus 12 V, this voltage is supplied to the motherboard and other internal components. Dash 12 V, this voltage is supplied to the motherboard. You get different wattage ratings for power supplies. The higher the wattage, the higher the electrical current that can be made available to parts that need it. The higher you go in watts, the more the power supply will be likely to cost. A power supply also comes with its own cooling fan. This helps all the internal components to stay cool when the power supply is subjected to bigger loads.